We just have a customer that came in and brought this thing here. He said this is some type of motherboard for a pull system. His spool is turning green and he wants this fixed as soon as possible, possibly right now. And he said he knows what the problem is. It's this piece here. And he already brought that piece with him and he wants us to solder it on the board. Should be a quick job. And this goes to show you what type of stuff we get in the shop here. So I thought let me make a video on it and replace this component right there. Right now, if you look at this, we see that it's soldered from the bottom here. So we need to wick off solder from the bottom and put this component in, solder it, and customer is coming to pick up in 20-30 minutes. He could not find anybody that does soldering, and then he found us somehow. We're gonna start with a big tip, because the bigger the tip, more heat transfer. Those joints are big, so we need a big tip to be able to properly desolder the legs. The customer said that this component was replaced before. Usually I tell customers to maybe pick up the following day, but tomorrow is Sunday and I think he's a pool man. He said the pool is turning green and he wants this right now. Like a guy who came in today. He has a Mercedes-Benz key and he wants it done right now. Right now. Like while he waits. I told him that's not possible. So he left it and he came to pick up in about 3-4 hours. I also gave it priority. And now we're gonna desolder this one. Now look at this component, it's broken. And that component is out. Before we solder the new component, let's clean up. I mean, I'm so used working with microscopic components. When I get something that big, I'm all over the place. Even though it's a lot easier to work on bigger components. Look at this component, it's long. Maybe it's about 1.5 inch long. If the microscope is focusing on the top, it's not gonna focus on the bottom. And if I focus it on the bottom, it's not gonna focus on the top. I mean, everything is so big. We do not need a microscope for this. Okay, so let's apply flux here. We're gonna do this. Very nice. And let's do this one. Solid. The job is done. That was quick, nice and easy. So that's it, the job is done. We soldered the component, super solid, everything is good. Customers coming to pick up in about 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll probably see you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a nice weekend.